we cannot say that the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Okay, so question number 2, it is not a set. Collection of 10 most talented writers of India, it is not a example of set. Next, a team of 11 best cricketer batsmen of the world. Now again the same case happening here. The best cricket batsman of the world, the criteria for the same, it may differ from person to person, it may vary. There is no such criteria on the basis of which we can define the best cricketer. That's why a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world we cannot define. That's why question number 3 is also not a set. Next question, the collection of all boys in your class. The collection of all boys in your class. Now, dear students, if your class having strength of 40 students, out of which let us consider that 20 are girls, 20 are boys. So we can easily define the number of boys in your class. So it is a well defined object, and that's why we can say that it is a set. Very good. Next question is the collection of all natural number less than 100. Now dear students, natural numbers less than 100, they are countable. It is well defined object, and that's why it is collection of numbers, natural numbers, right? So less than 100 we can easily count them, and we can make a good collection of them. That's why it is known as the set. Example number 5. Moving on to example number 6, a collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand. Now dear students, Munshi Premchand is a writer, and he has written some novels, some famous novels, and they are countable in number, right? So we can define a collection of novels written by Munshi Premchand which is countable, and it is well defined collection. That's why example number 6 is a set. Example number 7, the collection of all even integer. Now dear students, we know integer, we know positive integer, we know negative integer, we know even integer, we know odd integer. Now integers, it is again a well defined object, well defined collection of numbers. That's why example number 7 is also a set. Example number 8, the collection of the question in this chapter. Now dear students, the syllabus is defined, the syllabus is given to you. Mathematics subject consists of 15 chapter, okay, out of which each chapter has its own exercise, and it is well defined. For example, chapter number 1 consists of 4 exercise, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. So it is a good collection, it is well defined collection, so we can say that it is example of set. And last one, a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Now dear students, tell me, is there any certain list which is well accepted in the society that most dangerous animals are 10 or 15 or 20? Yes or no? Definitely no. We don't know what are the most dangerous animals. We can name them, we can list the dangerous animals, but it is not necessary that it is very well accepted, right? It may differ, again it may differ from person to person. So collection of most dangerous animals, it is not example of set. So dear students, I hope you understand the concept of set. So for today's session, we can stop here. So we will meet in next video. Till then, keep watching and stay home, stay safe. It's goodbye from me. Thank you very much.